In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Android smartphone to your Brother HL-L2465DW printer. How to connect, how to print, and also how to get the scan results from the scanner over here directly on your Android device, no matter which brand it is. It's also working with Android tablets. So let's get started right away. The first step is to actually connect your Brother printer to the same Wi-Fi network as your Android phone or tablet. So let's go on the control panel over here. I'll show you how this first step is done. You're going to press once on the menu button, and you're going to press on this button right over here, the minus button with an arrow. Press it a few times until you see network on the display. Then press OK to confirm. Select number 1, WLN Wi-Fi. Press OK. Press OK again to find your Wi-Fi network. You're going to press once on this top arrow button, and you're going to wait a few seconds. The printer is now scanning for all the different Wi-Fi networks that are located around you. Here is the first one. If this is not your Wi-Fi network, press the minus button over here and you'll be able to shuffle through all the different networks that the printer has found. Once you see your Wi-Fi network, you're going to press OK. And now it's time to type the password. Unfortunately, this printer doesn't have a keyboard. So how is it done? Well, it may take a few minutes, but you need to use these up and down buttons. So if I press on it, you're going to see I'll be able to select any letters, lowercase letters, and then if I continue, it will switch to uppercase, capital letters. And if you continue, you may also get these symbols if your Wi-Fi password has symbols. So I'll go ahead and type mine. Every time you want to select something, press OK. It will register and it will go to the second letter or number of your password. All right, I have finished typing my password, and now I simply have to press once more on OK to register my password. You're going to press once on the top arrow over here simply to select yes, and now you're going to wait. Now if you want to print, you simply have to take your Android smartphone, open any PDF file, any picture, any website you want to print. Let me go and find something. Here I have a website, a web page, and all you have to do if you want to print, depending on which app you have, you should have 3 lines like this, or sometimes it's 3 dots on the top. By clicking on it, you should find the print option somewhere. Here we go, print. If you're trying to open a picture and you want to print it, let me just go into my photo gallery. All right, you need to print. You need to press the 3 dots over here and then select print. Once you're over here, tap on the top and you're going to select your Brother HL-L2465DW. You're going to get a preview of what will be printed. If you press the arrow, you'll be able to change different settings. So the number of copies, the paper size, if you want to print on both sides of the page or not, which page you want to print. For example, let's say I just want page 1 and 2. So I will go ahead and select 1 to 2. And at the end, press the yellow button over here with the printer icon. In under 10 seconds, the page should come out. And here are the results. If you want to use the scanner and get the file on your Android phone, you will need to go on the Google Play Store, download the download the Brother Mobile Connect app. And once it's downloaded and you have connected your printer to the app, all right, open the app. I'm going to press skip on the top right corner. Press over here, I agree, press OK. Next. Don't allow. OK. And from here down below, you should see add connected machine. This is the button we need to press now. Press allow and now select your HL-L2465DW printer. Press skip. This is just Brother trying to sell you some stuff. Activate later. Now the app crashed, unfortunately. Let me reboot it. Skip again. And at the end, you should get the green check mark. Even if the app crashes, don't get sad. Okay, once you reboot it, it will just start where it was previously. So you see over here, the phone is now connected to the printer. Exit setup. It will bring you on the Brother website. You just have to go back in the app. And if there is an update available for the printer, it will be said over here, new firmware is available. Press OK. And now it will ask you to enter the password of the printer before doing the update. Let me show you where it's located. So we are on the back of the printer, and if we take a look right over here on the left side sticker, you should see the password. Okay, it's this one. PWD is for password. And right beside it, this is what you need to enter if you want to update your printer. This is the main menu of the app. If you want to print a picture or a document, you can select one of these options. I already showed you how to print not using the app, so there's no point for me showing you through the app. But the good part of the app is that you can use the scan feature. So let me show you how to scan a document. First of all, we need to align it on the scanner. So open the scanner glass. You're going to notice this corner has a small icon. It's very important to take the page you want to scan, place it facing down with the top part of the page towards the left side. And now we need to align it with this corner. So bring the corner of the paper until it touches the corner with the small logo, and then close the lid. On the app itself, press on scan. And over here, you can select if you want to scan in color or black and white, the document size, and also the resolution. Just leave it to 300 dpi in my opinion. Press scan and wait. It will take around 13 seconds. But the result will not be saved automatically. So simply wait, I'll show you what to do after. So I'll press done. And from here, you have multiple options. You can edit the scan by pressing this button. You can click the cogwheel right over here, and you will be able to give the scan a new name. This is the default name, but you can, I don't know, name it my homework or whatever it is, so it's easy to find it in your other documents. Choose the file extension. Most people will want to save a PDF, so you can select it over here. Go back, and at the end, press the Share Save button. You'll be able to share it with your favorite contacts or with your favorite apps. Or you can also make over here a print. So you're going to print whatever you have scanned. And if you see down below, you also have save to files. If you click this, you will be able to save it on your iPhone. You simply have to select in which folder you want it to be saved. So this is about it. I hope my tutorial was helpful. If it was, leave a comment down below. Check my Amazon links. You always support my channel when you purchase toner for your printer, paper, or even a brand new printer through my links, because I get a very small commission from Amazon and it helps me going on. Thanks and have a beautiful day.